Hey, good morning. Chuck here at Apple Drains. This is Friday, April 3rd, and here in Florida, Governor DeSantis, has made a stay-at-home order for everyone, and I sure hope that everyone follows that. Apple Drains, we finished our last job yesterday, and we are going to devote all of the time that we have now to the live help. So if you've got, a cell phone, and you've got a drainage problem and you need some help with that, no matter where you are in the country or the world, I'm available. And our schedule's pretty full, but I'll try to get to you because I can do this all day now, so we can get to 20 or so live helps every day. And you need to fill out that service sign-up sheet on our website. I'll put it in the description box below, as well as what you need and the cost and how how we get paid. Real simple stuff. And the other thing is that even though we are kind of under the lockdown, Apple Drains still can go out and do emergency service. We've already cleared that. And so rainy season is just around the corner, and we're getting the thunderstorms now in the afternoon. And we get 3, 4, 5 inches of rain. So if you've got water intrusion coming into your house or business, or you've got a flooded crawl space, we deem these emergencies. And we can come out, I'll come out directly just as soon as I can and take a look and be able to solve that problem. So just letting everybody know, remember, if you've got a cell phone or a laptop or an iPad, we can definitely help you with any problem that you have. And I promise you that I've done thousands of these, and you'll be real happy with all the advice and all the information that I can give you. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.